What's going on, y'all? Today we have a Cirrus SR22 we're going to be doing some PPF film on. Small sections here and there. These things are protected inside out so well, especially after we've polished and ceramic coated. But as you can see, there's sections that do have paint protection film from the factory. And what we're going to do is replace the bad, damaged, yellowed sections with some fresh new. So like I said, we do have a pre-cut kit here, thankfully. We're gonna start front to back, keep it simple. We have a few squeegees here, just cut up in different sizes. A little alcohol and water, soapy water, a few towels, and a heat gun just in case. We are going to knock out the tow bar protection first, sections 1. We have this passenger side. This is the pilot's or driver's side, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on now that we got it cleaned and prepped. So we have this front wheel cover. The tow hook side is pretty straightforward. It's a flat panel. This pre-cut kit was perfect, had the holes already cut out, sizing was spot on, so pretty straightforward on this one. Front wheel strut cover. This one we're just gonna go ahead and replace. It does have some actual chips and a little bit of yellowing going on. I did give this a little bit of heat prior to, just to warm up that adhesive. A little bit of soapy water here. Now these landing gear wheel covers are super curvy, and the fronts of these catch a lot of bugs, so the PPF on this definitely serves its purpose, but pay attention to this stretch. This stretch is crucial on a curve like this, because if not, you're going to get a lot of lifting, a lot of fingers. Just apply some pressure, good stretch, and that adhesive is so strong, it's going to hold up, I promise. Another seamless install with the best paint protection available. This thing is clean. We'll see y'all later.